ceasefire, cause you'll see. Okay, agree or somewhere. Let's sign the ceasefire agreement. Okay. Agree or Alright. We signed the ceasefire, right? Ceasefire agreement. That means our militaries will stop fighting until the ceasefire ends. So yeah. You know why we did that? I know it's Omar. What? What are you talking about? I'm talking about weapons with the David Empire. Yeah, what weapons? What weapons are you talking about? The tripods, I have like 7 of them, and weapons to missiles. Alright, I destroyed 3/4 of your weapons. Cause you were threatening. So I had to destroy them. Oma. Should I use my new strong Cheniasko missile against David Empire?